How to link your partner on the Flow app. Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through steps on how you can link your partner on the Flow app. Well, the process is simple, so let me guide it through. Now, once you open Flow app and once you're logged into your account, you should get an interface somewhat like this. At the bottom of your screen, you can see you'll find Today, Insights, Secret, Messages, and Partner option. So what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the Partner option at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you tap on Partner here, you'll get the option that says Link Your Partner if you haven't yet linked. So tap on Link Your Partner option and now it'll give you the code. So you can just share your pairing code. Now you can send pairing code or you can simply share with them using any social media apps, right? Now once you have shared it, now do not cancel the invite. All you gotta do is you wanna ask your partner to open up the Flow app. So in my case here, I'll just open up the Flow app again on this device by clearing the data. So once they have installed the Flow app on their device, right, what they are going to do is they are going to open up. So ask them to open it up, ask your partner to open it up, and once they have opened up now, let it load up for a while. Now it should give you the option to first check the privacy, accept all, and tap on next. Then here are you using Flow for yourself. What you'll have to do is they'll have to select no, I have a partner code option. Then you tap on continue. Then enter in the name here if they want, and then select the age, when they were born, tap on next, and then they want to enter the pairing code here. So once they have entered the pairing code here, they can go ahead and continue and add in. So this way you can add in your partner on the Flow app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.